I got red on point 250 up ahead here. I can't see him yet. 220. I got Oliver is my young dog with me. Now we're 180. Oliver, hip! Still can't see the dog. 130. Should be 100 yards right in front of me. Still can't see this red dog. Still don't see him. 70 yards. Oh, he's over here on my right. Jeez. Oliver, hip! Red dog is right here, pointed. Looking right into the headwind. There goes a bird. One up. Trying to get my young dog over here. Here he comes. Hopefully there's a covey here. 2, 3, 4. Puppy saw him. Whoop. Shh. Shh. All right, well that was 4 birds. That was Red's second find. We're at 43 minutes. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good boy, Red. It's 2 finds for you today, bud. Good boy. All right.